How to lock your Facebook profile. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your Facebook profile on the Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open your Facebook app. Then here once you're on your Facebook app, tap on this here. Then tap on your name. And now once you are in your profile, you have to tap on these three dots besides edit profile. Then here you will see lock profile. Tap on it, and here in the bottom tap on lock your profile, and tap on OK, and your profile will be locked. So this is how you can lock your profile on your Facebook app. Thanks for watching.